Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Jafar. My number matric is 2019 452 886. Oh, for today I'm going to do a presentation about the terracing and platform in field planting. So without any delay, I will start with my slide. Okay, first of all, introduction. Introduction for all palm. Elaeogenesis is a species of plant commonly just being called as oil palm. Elaeogenesis is monocotyledon. Its mature plants are single stem and grow to 20 meter or 66 feet tall. A young plant produces about 30 leaves a year. Established plant over 10-year production about 20 leaves a year. So, as we all know, the elaeogenesis can do their production can grow until 25 years. So, it be the common crop that always been used in Malaysia. Next, I will talk about the terracing on inland or undulating area. The planting pattern and terracing need are usually determined by the degree of slope present. Slope assignment should be made before a terracing and line work is considered. To facilitate mechanism and to improve the soil or water conversion, mechanical terracing park sometimes are constructed into between plant road around the counter. So, before we do a terracing, we need to do a proper planning, so we can do or adjust the scope of the place. Next is conversion terracing. Normally, these are construct in terrace between 5 to 10 degree. Each terrace is spaced every 30 meter apart and about 3 meter wide. The cut is deeper and about 20 degree to check erosion as well as the conserve water. Top bund about 1 meter wide are constructed every 30 meter apart, allow the terrace to prevent the terrain erosion. So, this is the commonly terracing, and this is the common terrace that been done in plantation, and it divided into 3. The first one is double terrace. These are terrace constructed in 2 types in area between 10 to 20 degree. The top terrace is the planting road, while the bottom terrace is for movement of vertical. Double terracing allows the mechanism, and this concept has not been widely practiced, but it more effective on mechanism. We do hope it get accepted in every near year future. So, this is the terrace that doesn't commonly been used, but it can help us because it been used. It made double road, one for the planting material and the one is the vertical or mechanical, such as kubota or something. And next is the single terrace. These are the traditional terrace are various wide, beginning from 3.5 meter to 4.5 meter, and are constructed in terrace more than 20 degree. Terrace is widely mass constructed for mechanism. So, this is the common terrace that been used or that been done in planting material and in plantation. Because it only use one. Uh, it can help us to lower the cost of production. And next, I will talk about the platform. Construction of chamber or platform. Construction of a chamber or platform at the planting wall is with a comparable height of 30 to 45 centimeter may be required in the area where the water table is high. So, next is the grand construction. The best time to be resolve any degree problem is at the time of the land preparation. An excavator is normally used to construct the drain on the what various. The system of the fluid heat drain regularly channeling water into one or more main drains has been found to be superior to other systems such as heavy bone dragging system. So, dragging construction is the one of the important part in plantation because it helps to reduce the soil and reduce the water level in the plantation to keep the soil in good condition. Next is soil and water conservation. It is an important role in all farm establishment and growth, especially in area receive the high rainfall or poor soil structure and the texture and the healing area. So, as we know, Malaysia is the one of the country that rain almost every year, and the annual rain is about 2,500 milliliter per year. So this is the one of the important part, so to us to make sure that the planting or the plantation is in the good condition. Okay, for conclusion, terrace is the old planting road, particularly on the steep slope, to reduce the slope level and slope height. The piece serves to trap soil and water sediment from surface runoff which contain nutrients and to redistribute the water and nutrients to be fully utilized by the plant. So, terrace have many benefits. It helps us to reduce the erosion, reduce the water to keep the soil in the good condition. So, as we know, terrace is the one of the important part in plantation. So, that's all for me. I hope we gain some knowledge about the terrace and platform. So, that's all for me. Thank you.